Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to tag people on Instagram post. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. So open the Instagram app. Go ahead and click on the plus button. Once you select the plus button, go ahead and select post. Now you can either use the camera or upload an existing photo or video on your phone. So let's say this. Once you selected this, click on next. Now for you to tag anyone on this particular post, click on next again. Then you should see processing. Now come here and click on tag people. Once you selected tag people, you can see tap photo to tag people. Click on the photo. Then search for whoever you want to tag. Just search for their name or their Instagram handle. Then once you search for it, click on the name from the search result. Click on it again to tag another person. So once you search for it again, if the name is available or the user is available on Instagram, go ahead and click on the name. Then you can just go ahead, keep tagging people to this. So you can tag as many as possible Instagram users. And then once you're done, you should see the list of people you tagged here. You can come here to remove the list of people. Now go ahead and click on check at the top right. Once you click on check, then you should see the people you tagged. Now go ahead and click on share. Once you hit the share button, this is going to share the Instagram post and it's going to tag the selected people. So that's exactly how to tag people on Instagram post. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.